Are your emails getting ignored? Learn how to create subject lines that your audience can't resist. Hi, this is Zaf, and in this video I'm going to be sharing 7 tips for creating killer subject lines to boost open rates and engagement. At the end I'll also be sharing a free resource which I think you'll find really helpful, so keep an eye out for that later on. In the meantime, let's get started. So tip number 1, keep it short and sweet. Now, as most people nowadays use their mobiles to read emails, you should really aim for your subject lines to be concise and to the point. So ideally they should be under 50 characters to ensure they display well on all devices, especially mobile devices. And tip number 2, we need to create a sense of urgency or curiosity. So use words and phrases that evoke curiosity or needed to act quickly. Some examples include limited time offer, don't miss out, or you won't believe what happened. Tip number 3, personalize it. So incorporate the name of the person you're sending the email to. Now, we all like to receive emails like that, or all the personal details to make the subject line sort of feel tailored and relevant. And an example of this is John, your exclusive offer inside. Tip number 4, use numbers and lists. So numbers can grab attention and give you a clear indication of what the email contains. An example of this is 5 tips for better sleep, or top 10 summer destinations. Tip number 5, ask intriguing questions. So pose questions that pique interest and encourage your subscribers to open the email for answers. Examples are you making these common mistakes? Or want to boost your productivity? Tip number 6, be clear and specific. Ensure your subject line clearly communicates the email's value or content. So avoid vague or misleading phrases. For instance, get 50% off your next purchase, which is better than saying amazing deal inside. And the last one, tip number 7, test different variations. So conduct A/B testing, or as it's known, split testing, with various different subject lines to see which one performs better. And this will help you understand what resonates with your audience and help you refine your strategy over time. And by implementing these tips, it can help you create compelling email subject lines that capture attention and encourage your subscribers to engage with your content. Now, I mentioned at the start there's a free resource for you. So if you look in the description below, you'll see a link to a free video that tells you a new way to create multiple streams of long-term passive affiliate commissions that's beginner friendly, require no prior experience, products or technical skills. Please like, subscribe and comment below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.